Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will model PlayStation 4 controller. It is gonna be a little bit advanced and maybe a little bit boring, but I think you will like that. You will learn something new. This is the model. So let's start. So first let's add a cylinder and make the segments 8, and I will duplicate that. Turn off the second one, go to caps, turn on fillet, and make the radius 50. Then I will make that editable, press C, and I will select these top points, then right click, close polygon hole. Then I will enable snap, also add snap, turn on the cylinder. I will change the orientation to Z and move it something like that. Then I will move my polygon and it will snap to that edge. Also, let's make the height segments 2 of that cylinder and add a bool object and put them inside and change the type to union. Now we can make that editable, press C, but before doing that, check create single object. You won't use these points, so just select and delete, and we can move them closer to the body. Now I will add image planes, so go to front view, press Shift and V, and select the image. So same thing for the left view, select the image. Now I can move my object. So, but change your right view to left view, so image won't match. So don't forget that. So let's match that image. Let's do the same thing for the front view. Now I will enable my axis and move it right here. Then turn off the axis, press R and rotate. For the left view, I will select these points, press R and rotate and move. You can also select this and scale here. Now I will move those points here. And I will select these 3 and I will scale them on the y-axis and press Shift and move it like that. Now I will select these 4 edges, press Ctrl and move. And I will connect these points, right click and weld. Okay, now let's select these 2 points and scale. Don't forget to press shift. That one. And these two here, that one here. Okay, now I will go to top view. I will select my image. But when you load your image, you need to offset like -60. So now we need to match that loop to that shape. So let's increase our transparency and start to move these points. Something like that. Now I will right click, line cut, and make a new path. And another one here. So I can remove that edge. Right click and dissolve. Also we will use these edges. Like that. Now I will select these edges, right click and dissolve. Now it is time to add subdivision surface. Select object, press Alt and click subdivision surface. First thing, let's select these polygons, right click and extrude the inner. Then I will right click, loop cut, and add a loop cut here and here. Let's switch to front view. Press Q to enable subdivision surface. Switch to scale, and I will scale on the x-axis. Like that. And same thing for the left view. Just the x-axis. So now let's select these 4 polygons. Move them. And maybe we can just move that too. We need to also move these 2 points. And also we need to move this one. Because this area came too sharp. Now I will add a cube and put it somewhere here. We are going to use that for the middle part and make that editable. And for the front polygon, put it somewhere like that. And this one to something right here. Then I will make a loop cut. Then select that edge and move to match that edge. So this part should be lower. And also should be like that. Now I will add some loop cuts. Here, here, and here. Maybe one more time. Now I will add a bool object. If I can find that. Where was? Yes. And now I will put them inside the bool and change my type to union. Create single object and hide new edges. Now I will make that editable. Press C. And I will just simply merge these points. Select them, right click, weld. And also, we won't need these polygons, just delete them. Then I will make a cut so that I can just remove that edge, press Ctrl and slide. And one more time. And select these 2, 3 points and weld it here. Let's weld these ones too. Okay, now let's select these ones, weld, and also that one. And a new cut here. And we can just simply weld these two. But that edge should be higher than that edge, so I will move it like that. And also like that. I will select these points. This is gonna average them. It's like smoothing. Now let's look at here and finish it with the line cut. Also finish that cut. And I need to finish my cuts somewhere here, or else it's gonna be infinite loop. Like it's not gonna end. Goes like that. So I will just finish my cuts right here and remove that edge. Another cut. Yeah, something like that. Now let's put that into subdivision surface and enable that. But I'm gonna set my editor and render to 1. Okay, looks very good, except that part. So we need to fix it here. This is not that sharp. That shouldn't be that sharp. So, and also let's move that point. Okay, just let's make that subdivision surface editable. Press C. And let's add another subdivision surface. So that part shouldn't be that sharp, so we need to remove some of the edges. Let's remove that. And weld these 2 points. And this one. Now that looks better. But that created a triangle. But I fixed that later. Now let's make that circle part cylinder and make the sub segments 12. Change orientation. Scale it. And it should be somewhere here. Then I will make a bool object and put them in that bool. And change the type to union. And check on these options. And I will make that editable. Now I will do the same thing again. I will merge these points. So let's start from here. Okay, now I will switch to line cuts and add some cuts. And merge these ones. And we have a triangle here. To fix that, I will make a new path starting from here. And solve that. Also, I need to remove that point. So something like that. Also, I need to remove that too. So let's get tiny cuts here. Remove that one and merge these. And I will continue to cut. Let's make another cut here. And weld these ones. And I need to get rid of that edge loop. Right click, dissolve. But also I need to select polygons, sorry, the edges, and select them to close that empty area. Okay, now let's select here, right click, extrude inner, and move it something like that, and just delete. We have another triangle here. Let's try to fix that. I will make a new cut here and remove that. Then I will slide some of the points. And also I will move them lower. So now I'll just make a cut here so we can get rid of that loop. And let's make a cut here. Remove that. Okay, let's put that in the subdivision surface and see what we got. Let's make a loop cut here. So that part looks a little bit sharp to me, so I'll try to move some of the points. But don't play too much. You may lose your smoothness. Okay, now let's try to finish here. So this is our shape. I will press Ctrl and convert my edges to points to see them better. So I will move it like that. This one here. Okay, now I will right click, extrude, and one more time. Now loop cut here, and here I will select these edges, double click, slide, and press Ctrl and move. And let's put that into a symmetry, but first let's check the center edges. Set them to 0 on the x-axis. Then I will change to model mode, enable axis, and also enable snap. Then I will move my axis somewhere here. Now I can put that into a symmetry. And let's enable subdivision surface. So it looks like that. Here should be tighter. So I will just move edges here. Okay everyone, that was it. The rest of the model is pretty easy. The hardest part was the body, and we managed to make it look good. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.